What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are heading to the car wash, so I thought, you know what, let me try putting the microphone in the engine bay, try to get all that good induction noise that comes from these 2UR GSC engines. So sit back, relax, enjoy the sounds and the lovely car wash that we're going to be giving this car. All right, so you can see here we're at the car wash now. And yeah, you can see the car's quite dirty. Rain really did a number on it, so let me get this all cleaned up. Then I'll show you guys the after of what it looks like after we finish washing it. But even with the dirt on it, still looks really good. The color still pops. But yeah, let's get into that wash bay. All right, so my go-to technique for this is start off with the spot-free rinse. Rinse the car down. Then I go with the pre-soak. And then I go with the high-pressure soap. And then at that point, maybe I will decide to wash down the car a little bit, or wipe it down, I mean, and then finish off with the air dry. All right, now I hit it with the pre-soak. I go over it probably 2 or 3 times. Make sure everywhere gets a nice coating on it. All right, and this is the high pressure soap now. And lastly, the dryer. All washed now, looking damn good, dude. When the sun hit those angles right here, it's ridiculous. I love this color so much. Look how vibrant it gets, and then the places where the sun's not hitting is kind of a lot deeper of a blue. Like, damn, structural blue is an amazing color. Car's looking good. I'm about to head back home now, man. Thanks for tuning into the video. Hopefully the video audio is okay with the engine noise, but yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll try to start posting more often soon. Thanks, see you next time.